Let's mix a Frazil breakfast smoothie. We're going to walk you through the process for correctly mixing Frazil's breakfast smoothie, which counts as both a meat alternative and a fruit serving. As a refresher, each bottle of Frazil 100% juice concentrate makes 1.5 gallons of product when mixed properly. Frazil makes it easy to mix our product with our Frazil 100% juice mixing jugs. You can find detailed instructions for mixing our product printed directly on the jugs. If you need more mixing jugs, you can get them for free at frazil.myshopify.com. Our Frazil breakfast smoothie is equal parts Frazil 100% juice product and yogurt. Because of this, you will only need 1 bottle of concentrate, cold water to mix the concentrate, and 192 ounces or 24 cups of vanilla yogurt of your choosing. Start with an empty machine, pour your bottle of concentrate into the mixing jug. Finish filling the mixing jug with cold water and pour into the machine bowl. Next, fill the mixing jug up to the halfway indicator printed on your mixing jug's label and pour into the bowl. Once you've added the Frazil to the bowl, pour in 192 ounces of vanilla yogurt. In this video, we use tubs of yogurt, but you can simply use a full bag of yogurt from your distributor. Now all you have to do is sit back and relax. The machine will mix the yogurt and the juice together for you, evenly distributing the mix and the yogurt until it's reached the perfect, delicious smoothie texture. This mixing and freezing process takes approximately 1 hour. To help prepare you for the morning rush, we suggest mixing your Frazil smoothie in your machine the day before and ensure your nighttime mode settings are correct. If you need help setting nighttime mode, check out our Your Machine Has a Nighttime Mode video on YouTube. This will keep the product cold during the night and ready to go when you start your day. After a morning of successful smoothie sales, we suggest you clean the bowl and auger before mixing more product to avoid any dairy residue buildup. Get ready to serve your students the breakfast of legend with Frazil smoothies.